The West Lothian Council is in the process of developing the graphic identity of the new Calderwood Primary School. When completed, this will guide the development of the school's badge, signage, website design, etc. We would like to ensure it is representative and relevant to you, the school's community. The aim of this film is to share the thinking that has guided the design of the school, and then the accompanying survey will allow you the chance to input your preferences. The new Calderwood Primary School has been designed to embody West Lothian Council's commitment to delivering an excellent, lifelong pupil experience within a learning culture that places people at the centre of what it does. It will support a motivated, vibrant, diverse community of learners and teachers to evolve efficient and effective approaches to study and pedagogy by facilitating innovation in teaching and supporting pupil development through individual study and collaboration. The principles. The principles through which the school have been designed are sustainability and well-being within a completely different learning environment. The aim is to create these outcomes: independent, cooperative and resilient learners, learning to learn, developing the skills for learning life and work, opening doors to help with future careers, the personalisation of learning, and inspiring creativity. The original concept for the school was a school in the village square. Key drivers. The key drivers developed by the collaboration with the council, the architects and designers were light, the importance of lots of natural light, openness, the importance of seeing learning actually happening, ambience to create a unique atmosphere through lighting and materiality, arrival, recognising how important a sense of arrival is, view, to ensure the connection with the outdoors from the inside, flexibility, to allow different uses of space for different events, welcoming, the arrival was to welcome people over the threshold, and courtyard, providing central spaces with light and assisting in the movement of fresh air. The inspiration for the colours. Themes throughout the school were all local references: the Muirston water, East Calder local materials and parkland settings with a connection to nature. The architectural concept are reinserted here. The concept for the school developed from the key drivers. Well-being and simplicity was the central concept. Surrounding this was three main components: open and light, lots of natural light and white surfaces with open connecting spaces; closer to nature, blurring the boundaries between inside and outside, creating calm, inviting spaces that improve the mental and physical well-being of pupils and staff; and Scandinavian design, using predominantly natural materials such as wood and wool, along with the simple muted colour palette. This is all built upon a central purpose: West Lothian's commitment to delivering an excellent pupil lifelong experience with a learning culture that places people at the centre of what it does. The survey. Now that you've understood the principles behind the design, where the design stands currently, and the ideas that have driven the development of it, we'd like to move into talking to you about which symbols, values, colours and forms should represent the school graphically. Section 1. Values. The values identified from the Council's process identified two groups for discussion: traditional values, respect, responsibility, equality, ambition, unity; or modern values, well-being for all, resilience empowers, collaborate to innovate, agility and attitude, safe and happy. Can you rate your top 5 in order of preference? You can pick from either list or combine. Section 2. Symbolism. This is a collection of primary school badges for you to consider. We would like to ask, which symbol do you think should represent Calderwood Primary School? Regional, Armandale Viaduct, Muirston Water, the Naismith Bridge; educational, the book, science, or modern symbols like connection. natural, trees, local flowers, or the thistle? Which would be your top 3 symbols in order of preference? In the survey, we will also ask you if you have any suggestions for symbols that we should consider. Section 3. Badge shape. Here we present the traditional 5 badge forms in the United Kingdom: the shield, circle, square, polygon and star. However, underneath we have also shown badges from around the world that we believe are interesting and have a modernity that we could embrace for the design of the badge of the school. Which is your preference? Please select your top 3 in order. Section 4. Uniform colour. We are showing you the standard colours for school uniforms that are available from manufacturers. We are unfortunately unable to present special colours as these are a lot more expensive. Which of these colours would you prefer? Please select your top 3 in order of preference. This is the end of the introduction for the survey. Now please go to the link to tell us your preferences.